Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy Rose, and today's video is going to be on how to get this flirty Valentine's Day makeup look since love is in the air. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this dramatic makeup look, red lips for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how to get this makeup look, then keep on watching. Hi besties, welcome. It's me. I'm back with a bare face. I have to put on some lip balm first because my lips are so dry right now. Also, before we get into the makeup, we have to have a sip of coffee. You guys, my iced coffees taste so good. I've been adding like vanilla extract to them and it tastes 10 out of 10. Love is in the air, you guys, and Valentine's Day is coming up. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup to show you guys how I will be doing my makeup for Valentine's Day. I'm also wearing like a pink workout set right now because I always wear gym clothes, but it's Wednesday and on Wednesdays we wear pink. So enough rambling. I'm gonna start this look off with skin prep. I'm gonna be using my Supergoop Glow Screen and my Say Beauty. These are the Sun Glow Drops just to give my skin a nice glowy base and also protects it from the sun. I'm from Miami, so I feel like a good SPF is always so important because the Miami sun is something serious. I'm gonna blend this into my skin. So now we have a nice, soft, glowy base. I'm gonna go in with my primer now. I use this one from Euphoria. This is one of my favorite makeup primers because it just not only makes my skin so soft, but it literally makes your makeup just stick to your face, which is amazing when you live in a place where it is always humid. Now we are prepped and primed. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using my Clinique. This is the Even Better Clinical Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations because of how full coverage it is and you don't have to use a lot. I am only using like a little droplet of foundation. I'm just gonna dot it onto my face and then I'm gonna go in with a foundation brush to blend my foundation out evenly. This is the foundation brush I use. It is literally from Shein and it's super affordable. It just makes blending out my foundation so quick and easy because it is a bigger brush. Okay guys, so for this Valentine's Day look, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place blush. I love Juvia's Place. Their products are super pigmented. I'm gonna mix these two shades together and apply this to my cheeks and my nose for a Valentine's Day glow. Also, one thing that I learned thanks to the internet is to apply your blush first before you apply like concealer or before you clean up the rest of your face. Apply your blush first. Look at that glow, you guys. Love to see it. So now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Brow Code. This is their brow soap and I love this product. It's just going to give me like really fluffy laminated looking brows, and I always brush my eyebrows backwards and then up and out just to make them look super full and fluffy, and this product really just locks your brows in place and gives them that clean look. Backwards. And then I look crazy right now. Now we're just gonna go up and out. Okay, so now it's time to contour and highlight. I'm gonna be using my Milk Mini Contour Stick. This is in the shade Simmer, and my Juvia's Place highlight that I'm obsessed with. It just looks so pretty, and the shade Golden Hour. So slightly, and when you contour your nose, you wanna bring it up into your eyebrow crease as well. For the highlight, I'm going to highlight all the spots, the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, corner, and brow bone. So now we're gonna get into like the cleanup part. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade Golden Caramel. I use this just to clean up my under eye and brighten it since I don't use a concealer. This powder is just a couple shades lighter than my skin tone and it just brightens up my under eye. You guys see that difference? So now to finish up our eyes, I'm gonna be using my Neen black eyeliner and I'm going to line my tight line. I'm also going to be using this random eyeshadow palette and I'm going to set that liner just with black eyeshadow. I'm also going to be using black eyeshadow and putting this on my top lash line because I'm going to be putting on lashes and this is just going to make the lashes blend better. Now let's put on the lashes. The lashes are on. Now we have these like sexy, flirty eyes, you guys. I always have to do my lashes off camera because if I do them on camera, that would just be a mess. We're gonna be finishing this look off with a red lip, of course. I'm gonna be using my NYX brown lip liner. This is in the shade Club Hopper, and I'm going to line my lip. Now I'm gonna be applying this matte red lipstick from Juvia's Place. This is in the shade Lover Girl. This is such a pretty red and it just stains your lips red. All right, this is the red lip, this is the makeup, this is the finished makeup, but we have to set our face using the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This is a product that I recently got. Actually, my boyfriend got it for me. Be using this to set my face. This is the finished makeup look, besties. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you recreate this look, let me know. I love you guys so much. Make sure you subscribe and become a bestie. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I post every single day on Instagram and TikTok, so if you want to see more of me, I will have that linked in the description. I love you guys so much. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me. Okay, you guys, I was feeling myself a little bit too much here. I just was obsessed with the way this makeup look turned out because I haven't worn like heavy glam in a minute. So I was feeling myself here. Feeling myself. Get it, Christy? So I decided to just leave this part in. Bear with me. I love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.